Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, wrenie here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a super cool trick. So let's get started. So first you're going to need some plastic you got from a toy. If mine's specific, I got mine from this gnome kit, and yes, I did do the gnome. I also got the paint from the gnome kit, this paint. So what I do, what you have to do, I'm confusing myself, is so you want to, I also got the paintbrush from the gnome kit, so, and that is at Five Below. So you're going to take the paintbrush and you're going to just paint something on the plastic, and I'm using this wonky plastic to make colors because it doesn't come with every color I need. So what I am going to paint is let's paint a Santa hat because I'm feeling in the Christmas spirit. So just dip your paintbrush in the red if that's what color Santa hat you want to make, and then just paint it on to the plastic. It's as simple as that, literally. Cool, right? So as I'm painting, I'm just shaping it, making it how I want, you know. Okay, so now that I'm done with my red, I'm just gonna wash on my paintbrush. Make sure you do that. Then I don't have a towel with me at the time, so I'm just using my hand. So now I'm going to open up my white because it needs a poof ball. The hat needs a white poof ball. And so, yeah, I'm just going to dip my paintbrush in the white. And I'm just going to make a little circular circle. Like so. So that's my Santa hat. I know it doesn't look the best, guys, but it's fine. So, yeah. And just wash off your paintbrush. And now you're going to take some scissors, any scissors, it doesn't matter. And then you're just going to cut out, leaving some room around your object. It doesn't have to be a Santa hat. So, just cutting around. See, so now I have my Santa hat. Now you're going to take it to the oven and just open up your oven like so. This is not my oven, I'm at work. So now you're just going to pull that out. And then you're just going to set it on there. And Mama Bird has to help me with adjusting the heat. Mama Bird. Mama Bird, I said it on bake, right? Okay guys, so I was right. So now you're just gonna sit here and watch and make sure you don't burn it. And you just gotta sit here, and if you watch it, it'll start to curl up. Let that happen. And then it'll curl out, and then just leave it for a couple seconds. And then you can open it, pull it out with a fork, and then it'll be white actually, and it'll make it stiffer, and then you just cut it out. So, yeah, it's any lifting up it's doing, just let it do that. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but so mine's in there. So yeah, and now we're just gonna wait. It's almost flattened completely, and you just gotta sit here, and it should be done shortly. So now that it looks like it's about right, I'm gonna open it up. Take this fork. I'm gonna pull it out. And as you can see when I'm pulling it out, well actually you can't see, but it's white. See? So if there is any see-through, like there is on mine, you're going to want to put it back in for just a little bit longer. Because you want it all to be white, because then it'll all be thick. So now we can check it again. and it's still not fully white. Just gonna let it set for a bit. So you can use your fork to just press it down like so, and then just use your fork to carefully pick it up, set it down on a oven thing, and then just turn off your oven. Wait a couple minutes, and so you guys can see this is how mine's looking. And just flatten it out with your fork. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I think it's really cute. And so now we're going to go over here, and we're just going to, what you're going to want to do is, you're going to simply want to take your scissors again, and then just cut out. You can leave some weight around it, and yeah, so you're just going to cut that around. This time I'm deciding to leave some weight around it because I don't have any like that, and I think that that'll look good. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, so I have made not that many because I just figured out this. I made this discovery. I think it's actually pretty cool. So you guys gotta let me know what you think. And yeah, so I've made a heart, snowman, and an ice cream cone, and now a Santa hat. So if you just want to stick to one thing, that's great. You can punch holes in them, make earrings. That's great too. You could do literally anything with these guys, so definitely recommend trying it. Just you gotta watch it because it might burn. Yeah. So this is how it ended up looking. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.